কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
Welcome to the students of class 8 on Top 1 online class. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty God. Anyway, I will teach you Unit 5 lesson 1. And today's lesson is the beginning. Dear students, at first you have to open your textbook, page number 45, and read the passage silently. Is it clear? Dear students, there are two keywords on the board. One is typical. At first we have to pronounce the word correctly. If you learn English clearly, you have to, four subjects you have to follow. One is pronunciation, spelling, word meaning, and sentence making. Our first word is typical. Its correct pronunciation is typical. You have to pronounce with me typical, and its spelling is typical, typical. Now you have to tell the meaning of this word. I think everybody will try to meaning. Its meaning is typical, meaning is symbolic, representative. Now I am writing it. Symbolic, representative. Now you have to try to make a sentence. This one, typical. It is a. You have to tell me. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. Our next word is defy. You have to pronounce it correctly. Defy, and its spelling is DEFY. Defy. Defy means challenge to do something or challenge to prove something. Now I am writing it. Challenge. Challenge to do, challenge to do something or challenge to prove something. Now you have to make the sentence from this word. He defied the European law. He defied the European law. Dear students, then we will learn two words, meaning and sentence making. Next, answer the following question. Answer the question. There are two questions here. You have to read the passage again and you have to answer them. Where did Shamima? My first question is, where did Shamima Akhtar Maya live? Where did Shamima Akhtar Maya live? In a short, you have to tell me Bhawanipur, Zinaida, in Zinaida. So you have to write in such way. Its correct answer, Shamima Akhtar Maya lived at a small village Bhawanipur in Jhinjai. Dear students, where did Shamima Akhtar Maya live? Shamima Akhtar Maya lived at a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhinjai. Called Bhawanipur in Jhinjai. Our next question is, what does Shamima run in her village? What does Shamima run in her village? Shamima runs a small boutique called Oiko Nari Kalyan Sanstha. In her village. So, the answer of the second question is Shamima runs at a small boutique called Oiko Nari Kalyan Sanstha in her village. Dear student, today I will learn some new words and their meaning and sentence making and some questions answer will learn. So you will try to understand the meaning of every word of this passage. It will be better to you. Now I am finishing my class. I think you stay well, remain safe. Thank you to all.